So when it comes to the newer agents or dependent agents, the key thing for them is like, look, I just got out of the school, right? And I'm doing this full time, and I need to make sure that I have at least one deal in the escrow in the first 90 days. That's the biggest thing for them, is like, I want to just jumpstart my business as quickly as possible. And we offer several different resources to really jumpstart their business as quickly as possible. The second type of an agent is the one that is maybe experienced, but they're struggling. They're looking for the consistency. I mean, if you think about it, right? Most of the agents, if you talk to them, man, most of them, they're not looking to build like a huge business. They're not looking to sell a bunch of homes. Like, they're not looking to start teams. Like, most of the agents that we usually work with, or the ones that raise their hand and want to work with us, right? They're looking for consistency. They're looking for consistency when it comes to their schedule, right? Time management. They're looking for consistency when it comes to their lead flow. They're looking for consistency when it comes to mentorship or training, and ultimately looking for consistency when it comes to closing deals. Most of the agent, and again, this is from my experience, if they can just close one deal a month or one deal every 2 months, they're going to be happy, right? So how do we get them to close like one deal a month or one deal every 2 months, which is about 6 deals per year, right? So this way they're like, yeah, cool, I'm making my 60, 70 grand or $100,000, you know, I can do this, and I also can have a work-life balance with my family and the loved ones, right? And I'll share with you guys our value proposition that we offer that resonates, that connects with these type of agents as well. And then the third, you know, is the one that are entrepreneur agents. These are independent agents. These are the agents that are producing. They're self-sufficient. Most of them already have one, possibly 2 lead sources established. They just need to really maximize or get the most out of those lead sources. They need help with systems. They need help with really maybe even the tech side of things with automations. They also looking for growth, because some of them are like, look, we're doing 4 or 5 transactions. I need an admin, or I need a showing agent, or a buyer's agent, or, you know, we have, let's say, for example, an agent here is like, look, I'm closing 3, 4, 5 transactions. I would like to invest in income producing assets. Help me. I never done this before. Right? So whatever really their pain point is, or whatever that one area they want to improve on and get better is, that's where you can come in and really help them with that solution.